Dear nurses, welcome back to Dr. APJ Nursing Academy, Trivandrum, Kerala. Today I'm going to discussing about the expected mark distribution for the NORCET 2021 exam is on 20th November 2021. So today I have a brief discussions regarding how to the mark is distributed for the NORCET exam. So before that, I just saying one sorry regarding our NIMHANS cutoff will be little high compared to the original marks. So because our students got more than 80 also, some other point of views, our recording for the Google form, somebody marked it as a wrong entry. So somebody marking about 90, 80, 85 like that. So that's why Niman's cutoff will be little high from our side. So I'm once again sorry for all. So we can today discussing about and briefing regarding the NORCET exam 2021, how the mark is distributed for a specified topics. So the before that I just saying the NIMHANS, sorry, the NORCET exam before I just saying the expected mark distribution for the NORCET 2021 exam, and the exam is on the November 2011 2021. So just 20 days more for this exam. So the total 180 mark is specially from the nursing subject, and 20 marks from GK, current affairs, aptitude and reasoning part. So the 180 mark for the nursing is very important aspect for scoring a higher rank between 5,000. So try to make a rank below 5,000 for the females, and males the rank below 2,000 is for a good chance for getting NORCET examination. So there is a combined exam. It is for the recruitment for the AIMS NORCET and also for the CGHS hospital, Central Government Health Scheme under hospitals in Delhi. Also the same recruitment exam, the same exam there is making two rank lists, one for the CGHS and one for the NORCET recruitment. So it is 2011 2021 and 80-20 ratio for the NORCET, and CGHS there is no ratio for the discrimination. So first I am going for the detail from each subject. So I arranged all the topics in the alphabetic order, so you can easily find out with the index. And if you need this PDF for your reference, and I put a WhatsApp group link, and you just click on that link and join, and requesting us for the admin for the PDF for this. So I am already distributed this PDF to all the 18 WhatsApp group for the NORCETs. So once again, I am remembering you, we are conducting a super test series for the NORCET exam. If you like to join the NORCET test, and you can just download our application from the Play Store, and you can purchase the test series easy way. So again, first one by one regarding how the mark is distributed for the NORCET examination. The first point is then abdominal assessment, pregnancy, McDonald's rule. We can expecting one question from abdominal assessment, pregnancy and McDonald rule. So it include Pauli grips, grip 1, 2, 3, 4, and grips other MC rule. It is the uterus position at 12 weeks, 16 weeks, 24, 28, 32, 36. That's one question you can expect. The second question is abortion and MTP Act. You can expecting two questions, the type of abortions and risk, and the MTP you can expecting two questions. Third one is acid-base imbalance and ABG. Acid-base imbalance and ABG, you can expect two questions. Next, ADH and fluid volume deficit or excess, that you can expect again two questions. Then importance, AIDS and syphilis. AIDS and syphilis, you can expect 2 questions regarding the AIDS pathophysiology and the AIDS classification and the AIDS drugs and side effect, all part. And syphilis, you can expect 2 questions. Next one, anesthesia and their importance images, you can expecting 4. In this case, you can study the ventilator types and ventilator image, and also the anesthesia gases, anesthesia scales, and anesthesia drugs. Also, we can expecting 4 image based question and text question also. Next, anti-DRH immunization, blood typing and blood grouping and blood cells, you can expecting 3 question. You can expect 3 question. Next, anti-seizure drugs and epilepsy, the complete you can expect 2 drugs, including status epilepticus and newborn seizure. Okay. Next, anticoagulant, heparin, warfarin, and factors, coagulation factors, their deficiency leading to hemophilia and bleeding disorder and thrombocytopenia and all. These you can expect 2 questions. Next, the importance antidotes, including the morphine and the other one more antidote. So you can expect 2 questions from the antidotes, importance antidote. Next, you can expect substance abuse drugs, you can expect 4 questions from this part. Antipsychotic, extrapyramidal side effect and their treatment, and substance abuse, you can expect 4 questions. Next, anti-tubercular drugs and TB, first line drugs, second line drugs, third line drugs, and new Nikshay scheme, DOTS 99 and all, you can expect for 3 questions from this part. And anxiety, OCD, post-traumatic stress disorder, and sleep cycle, you can expect there is a 4 question. This is very important. Psychiatry, anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, and sleep cycle, you can expect 4 questions from this. Next one, important, antepartum hemorrhages. Antepartum hemorrhages, it include placenta previa, abrasive placenta, and all ectopic pregnancy, all you can expect 2 questions from here. Okay, so next for 15. You can expect 1 question from aspirin. You can expect 1 question from aspirin and the drugs. Next one, you can expect 1 question or the Bedsore scale, you can expect. Next, you can expect 1 question from the research sample or hypothesis or aviates or leadership style. You can expect 1 question. Sorry, you can expect 2 questions from this part: sample, hypothesis, aviates, and leadership. Next, you can expect 1 question from biomedical waste management. You can expect 1 question from biomedical waste management. Next, you can expect 1 question from Bishop's score, LSCS, and episotomy part. You can expect 1 question. Next, you can expect 1 question from blood transfusion. You can expect 3 questions from the blood transfusion reactions, blood transfusion responsibility, types of blood products you can expect. Then importance, you can expect question from breast feeding and types of breast milk and classification, storage, and important colostrum, their content, all are important. You can expect 2 questions from here. Next, important burns. From burns, you can expect 2 questions. 2 questions from your burns management, burns symptom, burns nursing management, and burns plus grafting and all you can expect. Next, cardiac marker, thyroid marker, cancer marker, you can expect 3 questions. You can expect cardiac marker, thyroid marker, cancer markers, it leading to thyroid profile and other markers, it include other alcohol markers and all. So you can expect 3 questions. You can expect 2 questions, 1 from chemotherapy, 1 from radiotherapy. Surely you can expect 2 questions from here. Next, chest tube and ET tube, chest tube and ET tube, endotracheal tubes. You can expect 2 questions from this side. Next, colostomy and colostomy care, colostomy surgeries and all, including abdominal surgery, You can expect three questions. Next, communicable disease, including typhoid, malaria, chickenpox, measles, filarias, dengue fever, chikungunya, and all important communicable disease. You can expect 4 questions. Next, important contraceptives, infertility, hysterectomy. You can expect 3 questions. Contraceptives, infertility, hysterectomy. From the gynecology, you can expect 3 questions. Next, COPD, asthma, 100% sure. 1 question you can expect. From COPD and asthma. Next, next 30. Table number 30. Number 30. You can expect 1 question. You can expect 2 questions from COVID-19. You can expect 2 questions from COVID-19 and COVID-19 protocol, COVID-19 PPE or COVID-19 waste management and COVID-19 sample collection. You can expect 2 questions. And important CPR, adult CPR, infant CPR, child CPR, and including their defibrillation. You can expect 3 questions. Next, cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and importance, cerebrovascular accident and stroke. You can expect 3 questions from here. Next, important CRF, chronic renal failure, ARF, acute renal failure, and their electrolyte imbalance and acid-base imbalance. You can expect 2 questions from here. Next, Cushing syndrome, Addison's disease, and Conn's disease. You can expect 2 questions. Next, defense mechanism, mind, id, ego, and their theories. You can expect 1 question. Next, delusion, illusion, hallucination. You can expect 2 questions. Next, dementia, delirium, Alzheimer's. You can expect 2 questions. Dementia, delirium, Alzheimer's. You can expect 2 questions. Dialysis, diuretics, antihypertensive. You can expect 3 questions. Next importance is diet. You can expect 2 questions for the therapeutic diet. Different disease therapeutic diet you can expect. You can also expect DM, diabetes mellitus, and the insulin. You can expect 2 questions for the diabetes mellitus and insulin. There important drug calculations. You can expect 3 drugs calculation. One including the drop factor, and another one is tablet or injections, available dose questions, and also from the heparin or dopamine, that like calculation you can expect. So total 3 questions you can expect. Importance, ECG, arrhythmias, electrolytes. You can expect 4 questions, 4 marks. You can expect 4 marks from ECGs and their arrhythmias, their electrolytes imbalance, ECG changes, and the importance ECG leads, how to place and all. You can expect 4 questions from the ECG. Same ECT, same you can expect electroconvulsive therapy. You can expect 1 question. Then importance, ectopic pregnancy, placental abnormality, placenta previa, abrasive placenta, and cord collapse and all. You can expect 1 question from here. Okay, expected date calculation according to Negle's rule and Hassel rule or GT-PAL score. You can expect 2 questions from here. Next importance, emergency drugs chart, adrenaline, atropine, amiodarone, and calcium gluconate, and dopamine, dobutamine, soda bicarbonate, and lidocaine, adenosine. These emergency drugs, you can expect 4 questions from emergency drugs. Very, very important. 1 question from the enema. Enema also you can expect 1 question from enema. Next. Next. Next, exercise and back care. Types of exercise: isometric, isokinetic, and that's exercise you can expect one question. And the different back care types you can expect two questions. So importance: Florence Nightingale, their theory and nursing process you can expect two questions, very important. Fetal acceleration, deceleration, FHS monitoring, and placenta. You get 3 marks. You get, if you study this, you get surely get 3 marks. Fetal acceleration, deceleration, FHS, and placenta. Next importance: Follies. You can get 1 mark for the Follies. If you study fracture and the compartment system, surely get 1 mark. Then important GCS score, Glasgow Coma Scale, Romberg test, calorie test. If you study this, you can get 1 mark. Genetics, it's including Mendelian disease and autosomal recessive and autosomal dominant and sex-linked recessive, sex-linked dominant. If you study well, you will get 1 mark from this genetic question. Then importance: GI tubes. GI tubes include Jackson trains, Penrose train, T tube, and PEG tube, percutaneous enterogastric stomach tubes, and endoscopic tubes. You will get 1 mark for the GI tubes. Then general OT instrument and their importance equipments in the ICU. You will get 5 marks from the image question. General OT instrument including the different forceps, different retractors, different scissors, and different instruments, common instrument, and you will get 5 marks. And the important ICU instruments like SpO2 probe, ICU monitoring devices, hemodynamic monitoring, intra-arterial BP monitoring, is CVP monitoring, and all the images for the ICU and OT, you get 5 marks. Next, hand hygiene, sterilization, and PPE. You get 2 marks for the hand hygiene, 1 question, and sterilization for 1 question, and PPE also expecting 1 question. So you can expect total 2 marks from here. And head injury ICP, you can expect 2 questions for the head injury, and the increase ICP you can expect. Then you can expect 1 question from the hepatitis, mainly B or C. You can expect 1 question from the hepatitis. Next. Next, you can expect 1 question from the hernia, types of hernia and the management measures, surgery, types, course, and all you can study. You can get 1 question. Hip surgery and congenital hip dislocations and hip replacement, hip arthroplasty, and all. You get 1 mark from this part. You can get score 1 mark from here. Next. Next. Next, 62. Next, number 62. Next, images of national program, WHO, UNICEF, and all the voluntary health agencies, international health agencies, bilateral health agencies, and multilateral health agencies and their national program. If you study this, you can get 2 marks from this, including the health committees and all. You get 2 marks. Then immunization and vaccination, including cold chain, you can get 2 marks. Then inflammatory signs, including pancreatic signs and pancreatitis sign, appendicitis sign, colitis sign. So all inflammatory related signs you can get 1 marks. Then importance: injection site and types of injection, types of needle, types of syringe, and their marking and all. You get 2 marks from the injection site and injection needle. Iron, folic acids, and other deficiency anemia, including iron and folic acids tablet and their normal values and all. You will get 2 marks from here. Levels of prevention, 1 mark. Primary, secondary, tertiary, and primordial prevention, you get 1 mark. Lithium digoxin MgSO4. You study these 3 topics, you will get 3 marks. lithium, digoxin, magnesium sulfate. Each question you can expect. Liver cirrhosis, you can expect one question from liver cirrhosis. Importance, meningitis, you can expect one question from meningitis. Next, menstrual cycle and importance, reproductive hormones, you can get 2 marks. You can expecting 2 marks from this side. Myocardial infractions, you can expect 1 mark. The national program, mainly nutritional programs or BVSK, Baliya Swasthya Karyakramam, BSSK, and all national program, you get 1 marks. For mainly this year or day, they will ask. Okay, neonatal jaundice and phototherapy and their images, including images, you can get 2 marks for the NOSET exam if you study well. Important normal values for the electrolytes is surely get 1 mark. Usually get 1 mark. Next. Next. Please note. Next, the nursing care method and assignment in the ward, ICU or OT. Nursing care method or nursing care assignment, including independent nursing activities, dependent nursing activity, and interdependent nursing activity, and all the assignment, primary method, functional case method, and all. You can get 1 mark. Nursing ethics, including ethical principle and ethical implications and legal documents, are you get 1 mark from this side. Then importance, oxygen, type of oxygen delivering devices. In brief, you can study, you will get 1 mark. Then you can surely get one question from Parkinsonism. Parkinsonism, you surely get one disease. Okay, another one is pediatric GIT. One question you can expect from pyloric stenosis, H. pylori, Hirschsprung disease, and congenital megacolon. You can get one question from here. Next importance is the positions, therapeutic positions. Can expect 2 questions from the position. Next, potassium and calcium, their hypo and hyper, hyperkalemia, hypokalemia, or hypercalcemia, hypocalcemia, or tetany symptoms. You can expect 1 question. Sure. Then PPH, you can access PPH. PPH and their management, including oxytocin, methergine, that's all related. 1 question you can. Next, importance, pregnancy signs, probable sign, positive sign, presumptive sign, this including the stages of labor and all you can cover. You can get 1 mark. Next, prostaglandins, very important. Prostaglandins, very important. 1 questions we can get prostaglandins. Next, reflex of the newborn reflex and their newborn milestone, including not normal pediatric milestone all included. You can get 1 mark. Respiratory infections, upper respiratory infections, including pneumonia, you can get 1 mark. Next, schizophrenia, 1 mark, sure. Schizophrenia, 1 mark, sure. Then any shock, 1 mark, sure. For the any shock, cardiogenic, hypovolemic, deliberate shock, sonar shock, and anaphylactic shock, and all 1 question expecting. Spinal cord paralysis and injury of spinal cord, 1 mark you can expect. This is the number of 90. Next, we can see number 91. Number 91, stages of labor. First stage, second stage, third stage, and fourth stage. And first stage again divided into lat and there. The first stage importance for the dilatation as per WHO, and WHO do and do not in first stage and second stage and third stage and fourth. And third stage including active management for third stages of labor, all importance for the topics. Next, importance, sutures and instrument images. 1 question. Suture and instruments in 1 question. Suture, needle, forceps, suture related instruments, 1 question you can expect. Thyroid related, 1 question you can expect for any MH or hypothyroidism with related, 1 question you can expect. So next, 94. 94. You can expect tracheostomy related question. You can expect one question from tracheostomy. You can expect two questions from central venous pressure, jugular venous pressure, pulmonary capillary bed pressure, arterial pressure. So you can expect pulmonary arterial pressure. You can expect two questions from here. You can expect one question from ventilators. Ventilator, you can expect one question. And vital signs, you can expect two questions from the vital signs: temperature, pulse, BP, and temperature, pulse, respiration, and BP, and the abnormal respiration and abnormal temperature and abnormal BP. The BP classification, you can expect one question. One vitamin deficiency question you can get. One vitamin deficiency question from vitamin B complex C and fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, K. Or each vitamin's deficiency, you can expect one question. Next, volume and capacity for the lungs, you can expect the tidal volumes and the capacity, vital capacity, and that all. There are 5 volumes and 5 capacity. So each capacity and volumes you can study well. You get one questions. Then importance question number 100, wound abscess, cyanosis, and you can get one question. So total we discuss the 100 question list. So we can discuss total 100 question list we can discuss. So the total mark, if you count this total 100 questions mark, you get 180 from the nursing part. So you can count this all mark, you can get a score of 180. You can get a score of 180. The remaining 20 marks, if you score this 20, you can get more than 10 or 15. Your rank will be definitely high, the high level. So this is very important and very easy for getting this score, because the question will be very simple if you have a recent knowledge of current trends, general knowledge. Okay, first question we can expect for the GK aptitude and reasoning type, the train speed. Time, speed is equal to distance by time equation. One question you can expect. Then the calendar date, you can expect one question. One cricket score, you can expect the cricket score. You can expect one odd one question, odd one or odd out questions. So next, the similar sentence you can expect, you can separate the odd one. You can also expect the work done. 5 people work, a piece of work done in 5 people, a piece of work done in 10 days, or 7 people work done in 3 days. So 3 people, how many days to complete the work? So work done question. Another one is loss and profit questions. The percentages of loss and profit of by one is 100% price, and they sell it on 120% sell the product. So how many get the profit and how much the loss? So this type of question also important. Then direction sense, north, west, east, south direction, walking directions, fog directions, and a shadow direction and all you can expect here. Then coding and decoding type of questions. So ED, WL is sorted as Bengal. So VDD, I'll sorted as Delhi. Then KK by that, like the coding. It includes logical types coding and rule based coding. So you can study for that. Next, the find the number series. It including the whole square or ratio base, or add +1 or minusing symbolize the number series you can expect. Then the number series also from the diagram also you can expect. So the 5 part from the aptitude and 5 from the reasoning. Total 10 questions cover from there. Next, famous person, you can expect one question from the famous person. And river system in India, you can expect one question. The famous sports persons, in one question you can expect. The health ministers or union ministers, the list you can expect one question. The AIIMS director is mainly Delhi. AIIMS director is more chance to ask the AIIMS director's question. The currency and GST, one question there it can expect. The national parks in India, one question can expect. National programs in India, one question expect. Important days, you can get one question. And dance forms in India or state, different languages, their farming, different cultivations. So get one question. So this the 20 marks. So total 180 plus 20. So you can try to maximum score above 120. You can try get a score maximum 120 for the exam, and you can attend the maximum questions for the 200 exam. You can attend what all are the, you know the answer, you can attend very fastly, and you can confusing also, you can attend more. Okay, this is my important suggestion. So you can try to get around 120 marks in this exam. More than 120 marks you can secure for the NORCET exam. Definitely you will get a job for NORCET exam. Thank you. If you have any doubts regarding the NORCET exam and any topics related, any doubts, you can comment in the below the description box. Okay. Next, I am introducing once again. I am remembering you. Our previous video is regarding the NORCET test series. The test series sale is going very running and very fast sale running. If you anybody again interested to join our NORCET test series, please download Dr. APJ Nursing Academy applications and purchase the test series for just 250 rupees for up to till NORCET exam. Thank you. Thank you for watching this short video. I just signing out.